Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. It takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live, so if you appreciate the effort and the content, please do hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. As usual, I'm watching SPY, Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. So pre-market SPY is actually red. Nvidia, it's green on the day. It's gapping up. Amazon, it's above yesterday's close, and Tesla is way above yesterday's close. So going into market open, my primary watch would be Tesla. Market is open. Tesla is dropping big. 2 minutes into market open. No trades as of now. I want Tesla to break the pre-market low for me to get interested in a put position. And I want Tesla to break the pre-market high to get interested in a call position. If that doesn't happen, I'll stay away. Right now, I'm bearish on Tesla. As you could see here, I'm looking at a put contract. The premium of a put contract increases if the stock price falls. So it's totally opposite. Right now, I'm not taking a position because Tesla is currently trading very close to yesterday's closing price. So I'll keep waiting. Getting in at 650. Yep, I'm in. I got in because I'm seeing SPY dropping. That's why I got in. I actually jumped in anticipating a breakdown, but that was a bad decision. Only 5 contracts, so not panicking. Selling. Yep, I'm out. $800 loser. That was not my usual setup, and I paid the price for it. So I got in at 650 and sold at 490. That was a bad trade. Now I'm interested in a put position only if Tesla breaks today's low of 1052. I broke my rules, and this is what you get when you break your rules. Now that's the confirmation. If it breaks and goes below, that confirms bearish sentiment. So Tesla is approaching the pre-market low of 1052. Tesla made a new low, but I would like Tesla to fall even further to get me interested. Getting in 955. I'm in on Tesla. 5 contracts. SPY falling. That's good. I think Tesla should fall again. Selling. 3 at 1140. And now 1 at 1035. Just holding 1 contract. Exiting. I'm out of the trade. If Tesla breaks the current low, then I'll be interested in a second trade. Right now, I'll sit back and watch the action. First 5-minute candle to make a new high. That's the current candle. The previous high was 1038.64, and yeah, current candle broke the previous candle's high, and it's failing, but I'll wait. 610 maybe, giving it some time. Moving to 580, getting in 580. Yep, I'm in. 510, next level. Moving it to 490, pleasing. I'm in, and my third ad would be around 1048. Selling 10 at 550, and now just 3 at 575, and another 2 at 610. Getting out. Perfect trade. On the trade, I made $800 to $900. That puts me around $900 on the day. Decent trade. I'll take it. I could have waited a little more, but hindsight, it's always 2020. Being a Friday, I think I should not be overstaying my welcome. From being red on the day to actually turning green on the day, I think I should be grateful for that. Today, Tesla was a bit crazy because initially it was not willing to fall or go higher. So I was having a tough time trading Tesla today. But luckily when it fell, it gave me some good setups. I really liked my second trade, but my third trade, I think I took profits very quickly, but staying green is always good. That being said, I'll wrap up the trading for the day. Overall, an okay day of trading, ending the day up $949. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.